Fix paper jam errors in HP printers. If your printer stops feeding pages or a paper jam, clear paper jam, jam infuser, or similar error displays. Follow the steps in this video to help solve your issue. Clear a jam from outside of the printer. Clear a paper jam from an external input tray, output tray, or automatic document feeder. Open the input tray. Look inside the input tray and remove any jammed paper from the tray. Look inside the output tray and remove any jammed paper or debris that may be in the tray. Open the document feeder cover. Remove any jammed paper or debris in the automatic document feeder. Try to print. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Clear a jam from the inside of the printer. Paper jams can occur inside the printer. Turn off the printer. Disconnect the power cord and any other cables. Remove jammed paper from the following areas. Depending on your printer model, some of these areas may not apply. For the ink cartridge access area, open the access door, move the carriage if necessary, and then remove any jammed paper. On some LaserJet printers, you might need to remove the toner cartridge and/or imaging drum to access the paper jam. The location of the cartridge access area can differ based on your printer. If your printer has a paper path cover behind the carriage, remove the cover and then remove any jammed paper. For the input tray, pull out the input tray and then remove any jammed paper. If your printer has a bottom cleanout door, carefully lift the printer and look under it, and then remove any jammed paper from the bottom cleanout. For the rear access door, remove the paper path cover if necessary and search for and remove any jammed paper or debris. Replace any parts that were removed and close any open doors. Reconnect the power cord and other cables that were disconnected. Turn on the printer. Try printing again. If the paper jam error persists, go to the HP Support YouTube channel and search for your HP printer model and paper jam for more detailed information.